Hello YouTube, Metal Trooper 62 here, and here we have another small ammo score. I was at that one Walmart that I got this stuff at last time, so I bought 10 more boxes. And my camera's probably not going to focus, but anyway. Come on. So $6.44. Grand total of $70.26 for 10 boxes. 11:05:16 at 12:48 in the PM. But I was there and I had to pick up a few other things, but I went ahead and grabbed this. And there was probably maybe, after I bought my 10 boxes, there was probably another 20 boxes on the shelf and everything. So, but anyway, I'll be right back with my other stuff I got. And this is another thing that I was wanting to get. So I bought me a Food Saver. This is 3200 series. And I will be sealing up a bunch of stuff. I'm going to seal ammo, medical supplies, and obviously food. I'm going to start buying some freeze-dried food and making like pre-made meals and just kind of storing that back. Pop's Quest did a really good video series on making pre-made meals and sealing them up and everything. And I got a couple bags. These are this is 8 inches wide by 20 feet long. And this is 2 rolls, and it's actually 11 inches wide by 16 feet each roll. I know my camera's not focusing, but I got other stuff on here. The Food Saver was, I think it was $99. Yeah, right there. Food Saver was $99. The one box of double bags was $16.98, and the other one was $8.98, and I bought some other shit. But 11:05:16, $13.61, or yeah, $13.61 in the PM. But yeah, I had mentioned in one of my earlier videos, I'm going to be sealing some ammo up. I got some repack kits for 5.56 223 ammo, and I'll be doing another video on that. I'll be doing a video on that later on once I get this all hooked up and running and everything. But this one seemed like, well, it wasn't the cheapest one, but the Food Savers, I did some research, are supposed to be one of the better vacuum sealing systems. And let's see, flip this around. Hopefully I don't drop it. Trying to do this one-handed kind of blows. But it's got your typical seal. And it's got this little attachment to vacuum seal like jars or containers and stuff like that. But pause and read. I'm sure most of you know what these are. And there's the thing I was telling you about right there, where you can vacuum seal in containers and stuff. But they have all kinds of extra things you can buy for this and everything. There's the barcode if anybody is interested. Let me get that glare off of there. Focus film camera. Piece of. But anyway, like I said, I'll be doing more videos on this. I might do some of the meal videos too. I don't really do a whole lot of, you know, my prepping stuff on my channel. But anyway, that's about it. I tried uploading a video last night. I had a AK magazine score I did about 2.5, 3 months ago, and I picked up some really nice mags. They're used, but they're Bakelite and stuff like that. But the video was like a little over 13 minutes long, and when I tried uploading it, first it said it was going to take about 40 minutes, and then I come back to check it, and then it was like an hour and a half, and then I checked it later, and it was like over 3 hours, so I canceled, and figured I'd try to upload it again today, and it kind of did the same thing. It started out that it stayed at like 71% loaded up, and it never changed over about an hour and a half. So I'm like, screw it. So hopefully I'm going to try to get that video loaded up as well today. And guess that's about it. So today mainly it was ammo and food saver. Go good together. Anyway, hope everyone's having a good Saturday. And until next time, thanks for watching. This is Metal Trooper 62 saying see ya.